Welcome back to my channel. I am Tech Adnan with you to show this video. Till now, who subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to get update notification and stay with us. In this video, first I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile, then unlock your profile. To lock your Facebook profile, first open your Facebook app. Go to Facebook app, open, and then logging this profile, and then go to setting and privacy. Go to setting and privacy, then go to setting. Here you will see that audience and visibility. Here profile locking, click profile locking, and then you will get like this interface, and you will get only friend will see your photo, post and stories and profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture, and people will still be able to search for you and send a friend request. And here you click lock your profile, and you locked your profile. Only your friend can see your photo. Okay, go back, open. Okay, you okay, here you will see that you locked your profile. So your profile has been locked, and then if you want to unlock your profile, then just click you lock profile, and you will get like this interface. And here you will see invite friends, unlock and learn more. Click unlock, and then you will get like this interface and unlock your profile. Your profile unlock. Okay, your profile has been unlocked. So I think this small video will be helpful for lock and unlock your Facebook profile. Till now, who subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to get update notification and stay with us. Thank you so much.